This is the Mojiko Retro district, located in Kitakyushu, Fukuoka, Japan. Mojiko flourished as an international trading port during Japan's modernization period, and even today, it still preserves the architecture and atmosphere of that era. As you walk along the harbor, you can enjoy beautiful scenery where the blue sea blends with retro-style buildings. Tourists stroll along the waterfront, taking photos and enjoying the relaxing atmosphere. One of the most popular photo spots here is the Banana Man statue, where many visitors stop to take memorable pictures. Mojiko was once famous for banana imports, and the Banana Man has become one of the symbolic characters of the area. Across the water, you can also see the distinctive red brick building of Premier Hotel Mojiko. Together with the harbor scenery, the hotel adds even more charm and romance to the atmosphere of Mojiko. The area is filled with retro-style shopping buildings, cafés, and various attractions for visitors to explore. During the day, you can enjoy the bright and refreshing harbor views, while at night, the lights create a more nostalgic and emotional atmosphere. Mojiko Retro is a special place where the past and present coexist naturally, making it perfect for a peaceful walk through the nostalgic charm of old Japan. Let's step inside one of the shopping buildings in Mojiko Retro. On the first floor, you can find a variety of souvenir shops filled with local specialties and travel gifts from Japan. There are many charming small items, snacks, and character goods to explore. Throughout the shops, you can see products representing Mojiko and Kitakyushu, adding to the nostalgic atmosphere of the area. As you slowly walk through the stores, you can also feel the clean and organized style that is typical of Japan. Going up the stairs to the second floor, you'll find a small gallery space. Here, visitors can quietly enjoy various artworks and exhibitions in a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Next to the gallery, there are popular photo machines enjoyed by many teenagers. You can see groups of friends taking pictures together and creating fun memories during their trip. Nearby, there is also a beef restaurant, where visitors can enjoy a meal and take a break. On the second floor, you can continue exploring more souvenir shops and local products. Many of the items reflect a uniquely Japanese sense of style, making the experience enjoyable even just for browsing. Back on the first floor, there are more shops featuring regional specialties and local foods from Mojiko and Kitakyushu. These products are also popular as gifts and souvenirs for travelers. As you slowly explore the stores, you can naturally experience the local culture and atmosphere of the region. The shopping area of Mojiko Retro is more than just a place for shopping. It is a special space where visitors can enjoy both the charm of the town and the fun of traveling through nostalgic Japan.